welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am so excited. I have an unboxing for you guys. Now, Jeffree Star released some more mystery boxes for Valentine's Day. Now, he just did this, I believe around Christmas time, but a lot of people weren't very happy with certain items that they got. Maybe they weren't colors that they would use. There was just a lot of, not really negativity, but a lot of feedback. A lot of people had said that maybe these were like leftover items, that they didn't sell as much. Anyways, regardless, he said that he listened to all the feedback and he made these boxes so much better. So I am so excited because I just happened to check the mail today randomly. I wasn't even planning on it being here because I've been watching my email and I haven't seen anything that said that it had shipped or it was in the process of being shipped. I know when I checked out, it did say that there could be a delay because of all the weather going on, but it was there. So this is my very first Jeffree Star anything. I do not have any lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, nothing of Jeffree Star. So I'm very excited. Now I did kind of pop open the box because I saw that it was packaged kind of heavily. I have not really opened it up. All I did was kind of tear this apart so it'd be easier for me to open it for you guys. So before I dive right in, if you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that button down below. I normally post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I'll have those linked down below for you as well. So, okay, let's go ahead and see. So I see right away that I have some pink tissue in here. Now this is a Valentine's Day mystery unboxing. So the box is red. And the tissue paper is pink, so that's really cute. The box is a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I mean, it was only 40 bucks. So what do we have here? Oh no, you guys. Oh no. Okay, I can already tell that something is broke because there's, let's see if I can show you. All right, let me take this out real fast first. So the extra item that he put specifically in the small box looks to be a pop socket. I'm actually not really gonna, well, I might use this in the future, but as of right now, I'm not gonna use it because my phone actually, the case itself has a little finger holder on it, and it's included in on the case. But look at this, you guys. I hope it's not so bad. Can you tell? No? Oh, I don't want anything to fall out. All right, to put it that way. Can you see all the blue right here? Something is broke. And the skin frost is broke. That's what it says. It's a skin frost. So before I go there, let's go over the lipsticks. Even the lipsticks, look. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. You see? Oh, that kind of breaks my heart. So this is a velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Can't Relate. Ooh, I'm excited about this because out of the shades that he has, I really want to try Mannequin. That's like my #1 go-to shade that I want to try. And also Can't Relate. So, oh, the packaging, oh my gosh. You guys, the packaging is so pretty. Can you see that? Look at that. It's all sparkly. And it has the Jeffree Star right here and his logo. Oh, the packaging is amazing. Let me do a swatch for you guys. I am going to love this shade. So there is the swatch. I love a good nude. Very happy with that. All right, let's see. We have, this is a lip ammunition, and this is in the shade Starfish. All right, let's see. What color are you? That is so cute. So this is his little bullet. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, whoa. That is pink. So I'm not going to swatch this just because of the fact of how pink it is. I don't know if maybe I want to give this into it, put this in a giveaway, or maybe trade this out with somebody I know. I mean, it's a very pretty shade of pink. I just don't really wear like pink a lot as far as lips go. So I'm going to set that aside. Let's see. There is the Velour Liquid Lipstick. This one's in the shade Triggered. Once again, the packaging is really beautiful, all sparkly. Let's see. Ooh, looks like a deep plum. That is right up my alley. Oh, yes. Oh, that's going to be perfect. That is really beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. Okay. Let's keep moving. So this one is a Velour liquid lipstick, and this one's in the shade Watermelon Soda, and I am getting highlighter all over my hands, touching everything in here. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That is a bright, like, pinky, I don't know. I gotta see, I want to look online and see what this looks like. I'm gonna have a picture up here for you guys right around here. But this could be a really cute like summer color, and I kind of dig that. So I'm gonna hang on to this and see what the shade is first before I decide what to do with that. All right, now getting into the Skin Frost. You can see it's all over the package. So Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost. This is in the shade Deep Freeze. So, oh my gosh. Oh, look. Oh. That means it's really bad, huh? Oh gosh. So, man, do I even want to? Good grief. I don't even know why I'm attempting. Oh my god, it is so much worse than what I thought it was. You guys, look. I really want to just cry right now. It's just wow. Like, that really makes me sad. Wow. So I have it all over my hands, so let me swatch it. It's really pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm not even like really as far as like certain colors go. I know I use Becca Amethyst a lot, but I can definitely see myself using this. My heart's broken. I'm gonna email them. Like, oh my, it's just everywhere. Look at this. Can you see that? No, I don't know. I'm gonna email them. I hope that they can replace this for me, because this is just so heartbreaking, especially being my very, very first Jeffree Star anything. I mean, I'm ecstatic with all of the lippies. I think I really scored as far as lip shades go. I mean, hello, those are beautiful and right up my alley. You know, and it's not their fault. The post office around here is really, really rough with packages. This should have very well been delivered to my door, and yet they stuck it in my mailbox, and my mailbox is super small. So it probably means that they crammed it in there. Okay, so it could have happened at any point of time during the delivery. So I don't blame them, but I really, really hope that they do a replacement. I will be happy to send this back. That is not a big deal. Okay, so the Velour liquid lipsticks are $18 a piece. I got 3 of these. The Bullet lipstick is $18, and the Skin Frost is $29. So let's see. So that comes up to $101. This is supposed to be, I guess that's a little something extra. I don't think you can buy this on the website, so I'm not going to include that. Now, the box itself was $40. Now the shipping was $12.86. A little steep. So my total was $52.86. So minus $52.86. So that means I saved technically $47.14. So do I think this box was worth it? Absolutely. I can say, other than the breakage, I am extremely happy with what I received. I cannot wait to try these out, get these on my lips, see how they feel. I'm so excited, you guys, like very excited. So now, like I said, I am going to email or call. I'm going to do a little research on their website to see which one it is, and hopefully they will send a replacement. But once that is all taken care of, if it is taken care of, I will definitely let you guys know down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this unboxing, please give me a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.